Hello and welcome. Today we will do a short meditation for letting go. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. One more time. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Your life is filled with too much business, too much hurry, too much stress. Just for a moment, let go of all that. There are too many machines looking for your attention with rings, beeps, blinks, flags, and badges. Just for a moment, turn them all off and put them away. Your body is tense with too much caffeine, too much anxiety, too much sense that you have to move. Just for a moment, let go of all that and sit quietly. Emotions move through your body, each seeming crucial and compelling. But these emotions are simply some physical sensations. You don't need to do anything about them right now. Just for a moment, let them be. Thoughts keep moving around in your head in a never-ending running of words. But these thoughts are nothing and some sounds in your mind. You don't need to do anything about them right now. Just for a moment, let them be. There is an urgent sense that you must do something, that there are actions to take, but you will be able to get things done in a little while. You don't need to do anything about them right now. Just for a moment, let them be. If anything else arises in your experience, that too is just some content. You don't need to do anything about that right now. Just for a moment, let it be. If any insights, visions, feelings, communications, memories, or other experiences arise, that's fine. That is just some content. You don't need to do anything about that right now. Just for a moment, let it be. If at any point you feel like you are doing something on purpose, just let that be. Let it be. Thank you.